Every day, I reveal exclusive, insider-only product intel. Subscribe to effortlessly make your hard-earned money count. You'd think a hand blender that plugs into the wall would feel sluggish, yet this KitchenAid unit roars through the toughest ingredients with surprising agility thanks to its robust motor and 4-point stainless steel blade. Field data shows the variable speed trigger lets a casual cook glide from silky smoothies to chunky soups without a hitch, and the removable 8 blending arm detaches in a snap, making cleanup feel like a breeze. Signals from the community also highlight the patented pan guard, which shields cookware while you crush frozen berries, and the 3-cup BPA-free jar that doubles as a ready-to-serve vessel, perfect for single-person meals. The only quiet complaint is the cord length, but it seldom interrupts the flow. Verdict: ideal for busy home chefs who crave power and precision in a compact, single-serve package.